Today, we will carry out the pre-assembly of a JLB1500 container-type asphalt mixing plant. First, install the 45-ton thermal oil heating bitumen tank, equipped with an oil unloading pit for safe storage and efficient heating of asphalt. Next, installing the drying drum is used to heat and dry cold aggregates and is a key component in the asphalt production process. Now, the lower section of the dust collector is being installed. It is used for dust collection and treatment and is an important part of the dust removal system. Next, the supporting legs of the integrated platform for the hot elevator and ladder are installed. This unit differs from traditional equipment. It uses a cold aggregate elevator to transport cold aggregates to the drying drum for heating and drying. Now, the upper section of the dust collector is being installed, mainly consisting of a baghouse dust collector and an induced draft fan. Next, the middle section of the hot elevator is installed. Next, the supporting legs on the other side of the main building are installed, including the storage room and the control room support structure underneath the control room. After installation is completed, the core metering and mixing section of the entire plant can be installed. Next, the hot aggregate bins and the vibrating screen section are assembled on the ground and then lifted as a whole to be installed above the metering and mixing section. Finally, the head section of the hot elevator is installed, and the chute is connected to the vibrating screen. Subsequently, additional auxiliary equipment such as the overflow pipe, cold aggregate feeder, moisture mixer, and oil tank will be installed. Finally, let's take an overall look at the basic structure of this JLB1500 container-type asphalt mixing plant. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us.